We're here at the CTE Opening of Schools for the 2024 school year, and today couldn't have gone any better. Our CTE team, led by Dr. Lupe Diaz and her wonderful team and staff, crafted such a great day of events, of workshops, of resources. Teachers today are prepared to enter the school year knowing that we've got their back.
CTE students strive to make you proud just as much as they want to make their own families proud. The goal for us as educators is ultimately to see our students cross that finish line. And with ICEV, we hope that you lean on us to help navigate you in that direction to help your students succeed.
Hi, I'm Maria Jose. I'm a UX UI apprentice at Miami EdTech. This event reminds me of when I was a student. And it's kind of amazing to me, all the planning that comes with all these curriculums. So I plan to use all the information and insight that I've gotten today in the future for all my projects and my work with Miami EdTech.
What's up, everyone? My name is Max Ringelheim. I'm a proud board member of Miami EdTech, proud advisory board member of the STEM advisory board for Miami-Dade County Public Schools, and we just wrapped up an incredible back-to-school day for our teachers all across the Career and Technical Education Department here at Miami-Dade County Public Schools. We had almost 500 teachers all in one room getting a chance to learn about the latest and greatest going into this coming back-to-school period. And as the U.S. Director of Operations for Infento, electric vehicles, and riders, robotics, to really cutting-edge ed tech programs here at the district that have been thriving amongst about 700 students here at the district level. It was really cool to see one of our amazing students participated in the Summer Youth Internship Program.
This will be the second year in a row presenting at the CTE Opening of Schools. Now, artificial intelligence last year was just being introduced. And so a lot of the topics that we talked about related to the safety, the dangers, the hesitancies. This year, now that we've kind of gotten over the hump, we've seen more and more teachers in school districts embrace AI. So now we're going in a little deeper. We're opening up the hood. We're going to talk about some of the powerful tools that are out there to help teachers spend their time doing what they do best, and that's interacting with our students. So AI tools and the workshop that we'll be presenting is going to cover some ways to become more efficient and deliver at an optimal level without having to think about all of the supplies you might need to plan. The beauty of AI right now is that we have so many tools at your fingertips that can help you craft engaging and effective lesson plans.
3,186 students were reporting to work. This is the biggest program yet in the 9 years of SYIP. And of course, mentoring, but not necessarily mentoring of students, but mentoring of teachers. We have started that with several faculty members here at Miami-Dade College, and we will continue to do so with the other colleges, both locally and outside of Miami. Last but not least, increase in industry certifications taken by students and earned by students.